Hi, welcome to my channel, Senior Sue Cacti and Succulents. Today I am going to be making a small succulent arrangement in this little coffee cup pot, and it has a nice hole on the bottom of it for drainage. And here are the succulents that I'm going to be using. The soil that I'm using today is a palm, citrus, and cactus mix, and I did add some perlite to it so it can have a little more aeration within the water and within the pot, and to make it fast draining. Okay, and I have some top dressing here, but I may not need it depending upon how full I pack this container. Okay, so here I have a screen, and I'm just going to place it on the bottom where the hole is here, and start putting my soil in. So I'm going to fill this to the top. Okay, that looks good. Okay, now I'm going to start putting my succulent cuttings in here. Now these have already been hardened off, and I purchased these from a vendor, and if you want to see that video, I purchased all these miniature cuttings and also 9 cacti. So if you're interested in that, I will put a link up above. Okay, so what I'm thinking here is to add the more colorful ones, the darker ones, in the middle of the arrangement. So this is a Kalanchoe. It may be a chocolate soldier or a panda. So I'm going to put it in here. Now this is dry soil. These have been hardened off, so I can go ahead and put my cuttings in here. So stick that in there right in the middle. Cute. Put this other darker one in. I probably won't need any rocks at all for in here. Put that one in, and I'm placing them as close together as possible. Put this one in. So here is this one I'm going to plop in here. And these tools come in handy to dig a little hole and then place them in here. So this is what we have so far. All right, this one has a little bit of color to it. I'll put that one in. All right, here's another one with some color to it. This is going to be packed pretty full. It's looking cute. Okay, this is a rubra-tinctum. I am going to hang that one off the side. Well, I'll put that in last. All right, what else? Let's go ahead and put that one in. So this chocolate soldier is going to end up being my thriller. Your thriller is usually the tallest piece in this in your arrangement. Your filler is the other items, and then your spiller would be something like this rubra-tinctum or donkey tail. So that is your spiller. So you have 3 items: filler, spiller, and thriller. All right, let's get some goodies in here. Okay, this is an aeonium. That is cute. I have another aeonium here. I'll put that one on the other side. You know, I might not use that because it's a little bulky here. Okay, let's put this one in. You can see how easy these arrangements are to make. Here is a little jade. I'm just going to pack this as full as I can. This is a Kalanchoe. It may be a bear paw. Okay, go ahead and put that one in. Have that one just kind of hanging over the top. Yeah, right here. And if I don't like this, I can always take it apart and redo it. All right, what else do we have here? I think this would look good in there. That is a crassula. There, I'm gonna move that one there. And they don't have to be buried too deep. If they're touching the soil, they will grow roots. Even if they aren't touching the soil, they'll probably grow roots. Okay, this I'm just gonna peek in here because there's a little bit of a hole. That's cute, little variegated crassula. Okay, get that guy in there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this rubrotinctum here. This one in, it's looking pretty good. Put it there, little empty spot right there. We'll put him in. I might end up using all of them. There are 32 cuttings here. Here is another jade. I believe this is a golem jade. Crassula. I'll put that one here. Actually, my outside ones are taller than these guys in the middle, but they'll grow. All right. Okay, I'm going to put another crassula in here. I'll take these two bottom leaves off. This is another type of kalanchoe. I need to lift this one up a little bit more. There. This looks like a sedum clavatum, but I could be wrong. No, I'll leave that one out. I'm going to go ahead and put a donkey tail in here too. And there's my rubrotinctum. I think it's looking pretty good. Here is this one. I'm trying to fill up any spot that where I can see dirt. I think that one would look better there. Okay. Nope, don't like that there. There we go. Boy, I'm cramming it full. Now this is a ruby necklace. I'll go ahead and stick it there to hang off the side for now. Well, I think I'm going to move it away from the handle of the cup. There. Okay. I think it is about as full as it can get. And I'm going to go ahead and put that one in. Just really packing them in. Okay, so I did not use 4 of the items. So I had 4 left. And here is the arrangement. I think it is really cute. And I'm going to not water this for about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, and just water it lightly. I want to wait a while to make sure they root in, but here it is. Okay, if you're interested in succulents, cacti, container gardening, and gardening outdoors in the ground, I have some succulents, cacti, and euphorbias planted around in my garden, and some hanging baskets. So those are the kinds of things that I do, and maintenance. So if you're interested, it would be really great if you could subscribe. It helps motivate me to keep making these videos. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.